Hello friends, today in this lecture we are going to solve your difficulty first, that is जो अगले लेक्चर में मैंने sin a plus b plus c का फॉर्मूला डिराइव करने को दिया था वो आप लोगों ने सॉल्व नहीं किया। किसी का फोन भी आया था कि he is not able to solve, so वही सॉल्व करते हैं पहले। तो मैंने दिया था sin a प्लस बी प्लस सी का फॉर्मूला डिराइव करने के लिए हमने cos का डिराइव किया था, cos a प्लस बी प्लस सी। कौन सा फॉर्मूला आया था वो ऐसा आंसर आया था cos a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू cos a cos b cos c इंटू 1 माइनस tan a tan b माइनस tan b tan c minus tan a tan c. This is the answer of cos a plus b plus c. Right? Now for sin a plus b plus c, similarly as we did, assuming b plus c is equal to theta. So assuming this b plus c is equal to theta, what we get? This is equal to sin a plus b, as we assuming b plus c is equal to d. b plus c is equal to d. Right? I am not assuming theta. Okay. Now applying sin a plus b formula, and you know a formula, all formulas you know. So I am writing once again sin a plus b. Formula is sin a cos b. While sin, then sin and cos mix, and then if plus, put plus and reverse the order, right? So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, this is the formula. Then sin a minus b, same way here minus, right? Cos a plus b, formula for cos a plus b is, if cos both same, first cos then both sin, if it's plus, here answer is minus, so answer will be cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and formula for cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So these are four formulas that you have to remember, right? और आपको memorize भी हो गया है. Got it? So applying formula for sin a plus b, and formula for sin a plus b is, I am writing once again. So formula for sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is the formula for sin a plus b, right? So applying this formula, what we get? Sin a cos d. So this is equal to sin a cos d plus cos a sin b, right? Now substituting d is equal to b plus c, so new term will be sin a cos d is b plus c, so b plus c plus cos a, and sin d is b plus c, d is b plus c. Applying cos a plus b formula, cos a plus b is cos a cos b plus then minus sin a sin b. So applying cos a plus b formula here, so cos a plus b is cos a cos b, if plus then minus, both same, means sin a sin b. So this is the formula, right? And here sin a plus b, so same formula, this we have to apply here, and here this formula. So applying this formula, we get sin a Now answer of cos B plus C, that is cos B cos C plus, so answer is minus sin B sin C. So cos B cos C minus sin B sin C, right? Here plus cos A as it is, sin B plus C, that is sin B cos C. So sin B cos C and reverse, it's a plus, so answer is plus. Reverse the angle, that is or function, that is cos B sin C. Expanding this, sin A cos B cos C minus sin A sin B sin C plus cos A sin B cos C, cos A sin B cos C and plus cos A cos B sin C, cos A cos B sin C. So this is the formula for sin A plus B plus C. Taking sin A plus B plus C common, sorry, sin A sin B sin C common, either dividing and multiplying by sin A sin B sin C, both are same meaning. So taking sin A sin B sin C common means we have to divide by sin A sin B sin C. So this is sin A cos B cos C whole upon sin A sin B sin C minus sin A sin B sin C whole upon sin A sin B and sin C. Here plus cos A sin B cos C whole upon sin A sin B sin C, sin A sin B sin C and plus cos A cos B sin C whole upon sin A sin B sin C, right? And bracket over. So final answer will be sin A sin B sin C. This sin will cut, so cos upon sin is cot, cos upon sin is cot. So cot B cot C, so cot B cot C minus this sin A cancel, so cot B cot C, sorry, everything is cancelled, so minus 1. Here sin B cancel, so cot A cot C, so plus cot A cot C and plus sin C will be cut, cot A cot B, so plus cot A cot B, right? So final answer will be sin A sin B sin C cot A cot B. I am writing this first, cot A cot B plus cot B cot C, so cot B cot C plus cot C cot A cot C cot A and minus 1. So this is another formula. So add in your list this formula, sin A plus B plus C is equal to sin A sin B sin C cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A minus 1. While for cos A plus B plus C is cos A cos B cos C, 1 minus tan A tan B tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. Okay, so add this formula in your list also, sin A plus B plus C, right? So note down. So पता चला कैसे प्रूव करना था. Okay, so now using these all formulas we are going to find out the value of now sine 15 degree and cos 15 degree. Okay. So now we are going to find out the value of sine 15 degree and cos 15 degree. Right. So first of all, 15 degree. If you want to change in radian, then what we have to do? This is 15 into radian measure in numerator and degree measure in denominator. So 15 12s are 180. So pi by 12. Right? So in exam, suppose your question will be like this. Sine 15 degree or sine pi by 12 radian. Find the value of, right? So you may get like this question also. Find the value of sine 15 degree or sine pi by 12 radian. Right? Now you know sine 15 degree is cos 75 degree because they are the complement of each other, right? So either or your question will be or value of cos 75 degree, value of cos 75 degree. Now pi by 12 is 15 degree, so 15 into 5 is 75, or you may get cos 5 pi by 12 radian, 5 pi by 12 radian. So value of sine 15 is same as cos 75 as sine 30. Sine 30 is half and cos 60 is also half because they are complement of each other, right? So you have to take this sine 15 and cos 75 because sum of these two is 90 degree. That's why. Okay, so we are going to find out in degree measure sine 15 degree, right? So for find out this value, you have to take two known numbers whose sum or subtraction is 15 degree, right? You have to find out for sine 15 degree two angle for known value जिसकी आपको वैल्यू पता है, वैसे ही कोई दो एंगल आपको लेना है जिसका सम या सब्ट्रैक्शन 15 होता है. आपको 30 के डिग्री पता है, you know 45, 60, 0 and 90. So 45 and 30 subtraction is 15 degree, right? So I am writing here sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. Got it? Sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. 45 minus 30 is 15. Now applying sine A minus B formula. So sine A minus B formula. Sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So we applying this formula here. Right? So applying this formula, answer of this will be sine A is 45 and B is 30. So answer is sine 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sine 30 degree. Cos 45 1 upon root 2, sorry, sine 45 1 upon root 2, both same, so no problem at all, right? Cos 30 root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 minus cos 45, right? So 1 upon root 2 into sine 30 1 upon 2. So denominator of the both sides are same, that is taking LCM as 2 root 2. So answer will be root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is the value of sine 15 degree. Sometimes they are given in sums in 12 standards, they are given root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Then you have to consider this as a value of sine 15 degree. Got it? Either cos 75, either sine pi by 12, either cos 5 pi by 12. All four are same value. But Remember, in mathematics, never keep roots 2 in denominator, so multiply by root 2 in numerator and denominator, right? That means rationalizing. We get root 3 into root 2. That is 3 into 2, 6. So answer will be root 6 minus root 2 whole upon, this is root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4. So this is your final answer, that sin 15 degree either cos 75 in degree, in radian sin pi by 12 either cos 5 pi by 12 is root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Right? So remember this thing. So sin 15 degree is equal to cos 75 degree is equal to root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Either in radian, sin pi by 12 radian is equal to cos 5 pi by 12 radian is equal to root 6 minus root 2 by 4. So this is another important value, right, जो आपको बहुत ही यूजफुल होगी. Similarly for cos, so for cos 15 degree, cos 15 degree, that is same thing, cos 45 minus 30 degree, so cos 45 minus 30 degree. Now this is the formula for cos A minus B. So formula of cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B. If minus then plus, क्या होगा, sin A sin B. So sin A sin B. So this is the formula. Applying this formula to here, what we get? This is cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree into sin 30 degree. Cos 45 again 1 upon root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sin 30 is 1 upon 2, right? So answer will be both denominator same. So answer is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 and cos 15 is root 3 plus 1. Same value, sin minus and cos plus, right? If you rationalize this, then multiply and divide by root 2, your answer will be root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So this is your answer. So sin 15 root 6 minus root 2 by 4 and cos 15 root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So in general like this, what is your answer? Cos 15 degree is equal to sin 75 degree is equal to root 6 plus root 2 by 4 in degree measure, right? And radian cos pi by 12 radian is equal to sin 5 pi by 12 radian, right, is equal to root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So these are very useful formula, either value, right, which is helping you for solving question in competitive exam. Okay, and in 12th science, inverse trigonometric function and in differentiation, these values are very useful. Okay, so keep in mind, memorize this. Okay, for memorize, what you have to do, write answers 2 to 3 times, you will memorize easily. Okay.